homeowner in Houston, Texas, you may find something new arriving in your mailbox. Hello, I'm Lisa Dempsey, and I work with sellers who are looking for a hassle-free home sale solution. And if you'll stay with me to the end of this video, I'll tell you how you can make your next move a breeze. Today's real estate market has more ways to sell your home than ever before. And one of the newest to come to Houston and other parts of the country is the iBuyer. You may have gotten an offer to purchase your home in the mail from companies like Opendoor, OfferPad, or Zillow. And if you're thinking of selling your home, you're probably already getting these ads popping up in your internet searches and in your social media feeds. 80% of sellers say they're interested in finding out what one or more of these companies would offer them to buy their property. But before you enter your home's information into any of these online forms, I want you to click the links below and download my free tip sheets, How to Make More Money Selling Your Home to an iBuyer and What is an iBuyer? The first and most important tip I share is to ask a realtor about what is selling in your neighborhood and who's buying them. Then ask what the average days on market is for your area. The second most important thing to know is that you can have your own real estate agent submit your home on your behalf and help you to get a higher price and negotiate repairs at zero cost to you, the seller. There are no commissions involved by either party. The agent would receive a small referral fee if the iBuyer purchases the property, and that's all. If you ask me to represent you and submit your home to an iBuyer, I have a special gift for you. I'll purchase a home warranty product prior to submitting your property to help you save money. This could really make an impact by thousands of dollars on negotiating repairs. So if you're thinking of selling your home in the greater Houston area, contact me, Lisa Dempsey, with the Hassle-Free Home Sale Solution. And for more information, you can visit my website.